Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Nendefin woman's smartwatch with phone function. It comes with a 1.32 inches HD touch screen. It's a watch with voice assistant function. It's a fitness tracker for your sporty life with activity tracking function. It comes with a sleep monitor. It is a smartwatch for Android and iOS users. So, it's really easy. Download the app, pair your device with your smartphone, and then have fun with your smartwatch. Self-discipline is freedom. This improved smartwatch for women is equipped with a music control that allows us to train more rhythmic. This decides how to train, and the smartwatch tracks it for us. During the day, our blood oxygen content, our heart rate, and our stress are monitored, and we will be warned when the values are unbalanced. This woman's smartwatch comes with two wristbands, which are particularly soft and waterproof to avoid allergies too. We can answer calls via Bluetooth, so we won't miss any calls when we walk, train, or have a date. Intelligent notification system, a remote camera, activity tracking, that means steps, distance, calories, a PIN code to unlock, operation system in different languages, 19 sports modes. It comes with a stopwatch function, alarm, clock, find my phone function, weather forecast, etc. etc. The smartwatch makes the life more convenient and easier for us. It's perfect for nearly everyday use. This new smartwatch here for women and so on, and man too, if you like. And with this device, we can also receive text messages and other social media messages too, for WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and so many more. On the watch itself, we can easily check, and we do not miss any message right now. Secondly, the IP68 function is not only waterproof and sweatproof, but also it's dustproof. We found our phone, breathing training, flashlights. It brings a lot of practicity to our life. This is a brilliant ergonomic design device here. The smartwatch with phone function supports customizing the watch face to create our own style. Of course, we have to need to download the Fit Cloud Pro app, FITCLOUDPRO. There are more than 200 billion dials. We can also adjust the dial anytime and anywhere. Besides this, pedometer watch can record steps and distance in real time, and we can see the GPS route on our phone. It has a 1.32 inches TFT color screen with 360 to 360 high resolution. It's compatible and engaged. The smartwatch here is for iOS 8.0 and above, and Android 4.0 and above smartphones, such as the iPhone, the Samsung devices, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc. This ultra-low power watch with the built-in BLE 5.2 chip, this is a modern Bluetooth chip, can be fully charged in no time, 2 hours, and lasts for at least 7 days. That's really cool. And we have a multifunctional fitness watch. The Android smartwatch has many particle functions, such as weather, forecast, music control, remote camera, stopwatch, timer function, alert log, GPS sharing, motion reminder, non-disturb mode, brightness adjustment, torch, theater mode. So many more different nice things. It can meet our daily needs because it is a smartwatch, and it comes from Nendefin. Bluetooth calling smartwatch. This makes calls whenever we want. This smartwatch here is comfortable to wear and suitable for different occasions, such as sport, work, and party too. Because every day is a party in your life, I hope so, isn't it? Yeah. Different occasions shows different personal charm. This woman's smartwatch comes with two bracelets, so we can change and adjust the bracelets as desired. Durable and flexible silicone band with comfortable, soft, smooth, and waterproof surfaces. And this elegant woman's watch has a high quality built in speaker and a microphone as well as a Bluetooth call function. We can directly make or answer calls, add contacts, view call logs. We play music and read messages. We can easily receive messages from different social apps so we don't have to hold our phone constantly in our hand. And we stay in touch with our family and friends. We talk about our life, we share our joy and drive away the bad mood. It comes with a distance information. It is a stopwatch, a timer function. It shows us the calories and the steps. Because it comes with 19 sports modes. This fitness tracker here, with a total of 19 sports modes, brings the possibility to make a better workout for us. For example, running, cycling, badminton, yoga, basketball, football, and more. We can create our training plan and develop a healthier lifestyle by recording data such as distance, heart rate, and calories burned during exercise. This is the new upgraded smartwatch. This meets all our daily activity needs. We cannot wear it for swimming. It cannot be used under hot water or seawater, but it is waterproof, so you can use it outdoor no problem. And we call and we message our notifications. We can answer calls, we make calls, we contact, we call logs, we make SMS and SNS functions. And our heart rate gets a monitor. We have a sleep monitor, a blood oxygen monitor, a blood pressure monitor, woman's health, lack of moments, drink water reminder, and weather forecast, a stopwatch, alert clock, timer, find phone, music control, camera control, so many things. And AI voice assistant. A new function for new worked woman watches. We can use it perform voice commands. Set, for example, an alert to check the weather forecast and lead a smart lifestyle. This smartwatch is not a professional medical device, of course. All monitoring data are for reference only, and we cannot be used as a medical basis or for medical purposes. And it is really easy. We turn on phone's Bluetooth. Then we are going to search the Fit Cloud Pro app in the App Store or Google Play Store. Then we download the app. Then we install the app. And then we follow the wizard to set up. Then we enter the app and find an A60 binding. We have to charge the device fully before first use. We open the drop-down menu of the watch and light up the call, for example, if there is coming a call while it is paired. Or we open the phone settings and do the Bluetooth and find the i70 connection. Then we find the A60 audio and click to connect it. Then, once we connected it with the Bluetooth function, we can and use watch to answer and make calls anytime because it is a Bluetooth speaker and after this pairing method. Really cool. We know that 2 Bluetooth connections are required for this watch. The first Bluetooth is for connections of watch to the app, but you does not need the second one to use the app, to use the smartphone, of course. But it is better to make the second connection for the calls, and then you can make the big smartphone options ready to use. This is the Nendefin woman's smartwatch with the phone function. 1.32 inches of Touch HD watch with voice assistant and fitness tracking function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.